Hey guys, welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we are back at HomeSense and I wanted to take you guys through HomeSense and show you guys some of the new home decor pieces for 2022 at HomeSense. So if today is your first day of clicking on my video, thank you so much for clicking. Over here we make videos on shopping, home decoration, cooking, cleaning and mini vlogs. So if you're interested in things like that, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also push the notification bell so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returnee, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you watching my videos again. So I'm just going to let you guys watch this video. HomeSense has a whole lot of new home decor pieces available right now for 2022, and I feel like this year theme is mostly like neutral and few hint of colors here and there. Maybe they're going to be coming out more with new stuff. It's just the beginning of the year. And guys, I hope you guys watch this video to an end. You enjoyed this video. Please kindly push the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you guys at the end of the video.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, better way. Oh, way. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Time goes by, yeah, you and I are running out, running out. Time goes by, I change my mind about you and I, you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be brave? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge. You make me feel so much better. Promise to love you forever. That's why I wanna spend my life with you. I
So guys, they also have some of their Valentine's Day decor pieces out already. So I filmed this video at the beginning of the year, and I'm just recently posting it because I have so many stuff I wanted to post it before I posted this. So they do have some Valentine's Day decor pieces out already at HomeSense. Guys, let me know if you guys are interested in home decor when it comes to like Valentine's Day. I already put out a video when I decorated my bedroom for Valentine's Day. The theme I'm going for this year is pink, baby pink. If you guys are interested in how I decorated my kitchen and my living room for Valentine's Day, please leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are interested in a video like that. So guys, that is all about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe, push the notification bell, share this video with your friends and family. Let me know some of the stuff that you love to buy here at HomeSense, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.